So now after we checked everything and there's nothing in the past 14 days and that contract signed, we would grab, as the acquisition, we would grab the information from here that we already downloaded. Should change that name to the comps analysis. I already did that when I download that, and we will go here to the property address. It's important to mention that we are doing that video in a transition. We're going to be doing Salesforce, but it's only going to have a few tweaks to change the information on how we do it on a different system. But the point, the gist of it will be the same. Acquisition will come here into the files section, and we'll add the files of the comps this position can come here, or anyone else can come here and look at it at this point, and also make sure that after we sign the contract, can take the same notes of the reasoning of why we chose the comps, and add acquisitions, comp notes, and add them here. And that's it. Now we have one place that we go to and make sure that we have all the information. Pretty easy. Also, a lockbox should be here. Everything should flow through the property. And all the information. So that's about it. And if there is any discrepancy about the comps between acquisition and disposition, then that would be for you to figure out. You can always ask any other team members if you can't find, the common ground, but shouldn't happen if we're all doing the comps. But if it happens, figure it out.